Okay, here's a quick video on working with photos in the QuickFill app. You're going to like what we can do with the photos. It's pretty nifty. Then we're going to go to clients from the home screen. Here's Demon Video. He is a client that I set up specifically for doing these demo videos. And these are the inspections that he requested. We're going to hit view. And let's work with roof inspection. So we're just going to tap in that box and it opens up the roof inspection. Of course, it auto-fills everything. No matter which inspection you open, it's going to auto-fill all that stuff for you that you had entered when the client had called you and scheduled the inspection. So you only have to type that stuff once. All right, so let's go on down here to, let me show you something real quick too on the app. So I notice how you're just sliding across. Another way you can get around, you can hit next at the bottom, or you can hit previous. But here's another nifty little thing up here. You can actually just slide the menu over too and go from one end of the menu to the other and click direct there. All right, so we're in photos, the photos page now, or photo screen, and there's two ways to add photos. One, you can use the camera, or two, you can use the photos that are already stored on your phone that you might have just taken with your phone. So here's what we're going to do is first we'll do the camera. All right, and why don't we just take a quick picture of this report. All right, and then we're going to just want to use this photo. Okay, now let's take a look at that for a second. Notice it turned out sideways, just the way the phone sensed things or something. And so here's what we want to do. These three dots right up here in the corner, these three dots, just tap on that. It's going to allow you to edit that image or edit the caption or rotate the image. Let's just go ahead and rotate it real quick. Here's the rotate. Whoop. Let me show you here. Let me back out. Okay. And here is the rotate icon. Just tap it till it's in the right position that you want it. And then just hit done. And there it is, it's rotated. We'll show you some more of the features in that editing area. As soon as you're done with it, make sure you tap save so you don't lose it. And I'm going to show you the next way that we can add photos. We can use the storage. Tap on that one. And let's see, some photos I took of a roof. Right there, we got 6 photos here. Okay, they're in a certain order, but say I don't like their order. Say I want this one to be the first one. And then I want this one to be the second one. And then the rest of them, it doesn't really matter. So we just do it that way. It's going to put them into the report in the order that I tapped on them and selected them. So we got number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. And you're just going to go up here and you're going to hit done. And there they are. Okay. Say you look at that and you look at that and you go, all right, well, let's save them, make sure they stay put. But let's take a look at this and say, I don't like that order. I'd really rather it be in a different order. This one, I don't want it to be the first one up here. Or maybe I want it to be the very first one. Excuse me, grab the wrong one. Grab it towards the top. Drag it over. If you say, no, I wanted that one actually to be on the last one. Grab hold of it. Put it down as the last one. Save that order. There you go. So you can add multiple ones at a time. It's pretty much as many as you like. And let's see, let's look at the editing thing a little bit more. All right, we're going to edit the caption. We want a caption here. We don't have any captions. All right. If you looked at the other videos and we dealt with the drop-down menus, these are the ones that come up for the photos on the roof inspection. All right, so we've got an area of damage, deterioration. You put any kind of drop-downs you want there. You can create your own. All right. Same thing with roof covering. So on this one, we just want to say asphalt fiberglass shingle. I just tapped it once and it shows up there. If I want to add something else, I can just type anything in there I want. All right. And then you can hit save. And once you hit save, there you go. Okay, and now you see the text there. That's not the way it's going to show up in the actual printed report. It'll actually be a caption box below the photograph. but inside the app, that's the way it's going to show it to you, so you know exactly which one it goes with. Let's go back into editing. Those three dots up at the top. So we edited the caption. We can edit the image also. So we can go in here, and if we want to just draw an arrow or something, we can just select the color that you want right here. And let's just stick with red. And I want to draw an arrow that points up at that. There you go. You got it. All right. And so we're done there. All right. So here's another thing you can do if you want to add a text box. You just start typing. Roof. I don't like that color. Let's go with blue. There we go. All right. I don't like where it's located. Done. Don't like where it's located. Grab hold of it. Move it wherever you want it. There you go. Hit done. All right. So those are the types of things you can do. If you've got this and you go, hey, you know, I kind of want to save that photo too outside of the report with a markup on it. You hit download, and it's going to save it right to your storage in your phone. You just give it the approval to do so. So those are the things you can do there. If you want to crop this, you can crop it. You can just make it more like so, and then done. And then at that point, you can just save it. This little button right here will bring you back, and it'll have it edited. Then save all your changes. So you can do quite a bit with this app in reference to the photo images. And if you have any questions about it, get in touch with me. You can find my contact information in the website.